Welcome to my CAD Tutor, Revit Architecture Tutorials. In this video, I will teach you how you can create the railing and ramp. To create the railing, go to Floor Plan Level 1. Click on Railing option under Circulation panel, and draw the line continuously. Go to Edit Type to change the given parameters in the properties. Close the window and finish the process. Go to the 3D view and here you can see the railing. You can also change the type of railing from Type Selector. Select the railing and choose the type from Type Selector. To create the ramp, go to the plinth level. In my project, it is level 3. Click on Ramp and do the same steps as I am doing on the screen. Align all the lines. Go to 3D view and finish the command. Then go to Edit Type and change the shape into Solid mode. Maximum length 4000 mm and max slop to 1. Press OK to close the window and here you can see the ramp is created. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.